everyone! What an honor to be here and share what's coming up in week 9. I'm glad to see there is a great deal of communication and thinking skills being developed in our community. First of all, I'd like to congratulate all involved in the Aladdin production on Saturday. I was there with my family and what a tremendous play! All the actors and actresses communicated clearly and were supportive of each other. Once again, congratulations! Secondly, a quick good luck to grade 12 on their leaving assembly today and my best wishes for their graduation on Friday. You have worked really hard throughout the years and it's your moment to shine, so enjoy! In the meantime, in the primary school, PYP 6 is busy rehearsing for their graduation as well, and they have written their speeches and rehearsed for their performances. I can't wait to see them. Actually, all grades are working hard, finalizing their inquiries for the last unit of inquiry of this academic year. Last but not least, I did my homework and researched about Pancasila Day and its importance to my host country, Indonesia. I will be celebrating with you all on Wednesday. Selamat Hari Lahir Pancasila. Bye-bye.